Hi, my name is Marisa Salisbury. I am a licensed veterinary technologist, or LVT, in northern Michigan. I live in a little town called Free Soil. It's about right here. And that is the actual name, Free Soil. So an LVT, or licensed veterinary technologist, is equivalent to an RN, but in the veterinary field. I've worked at small 1-2 doctor practices, emergency referral, up to Michigan State University. I also worked for the USDA, specifically with highly pathogenic avian influenza, or HPAI, specifically in emergency response. And big passion that I have is the One Health concept. So, One Health, if you're not familiar, is the understanding that there needs to be collaboration between human health and veterinary medical, as well as environmental sciences, to keep a community or niche healthy. And I've delved into topics over the years, and including regarding One Health, including my capstone project for my bachelor's degree was looking at the collaboration between human health and veterinary professionals. I contacted DEFRA, which is a government organization in the UK, to see what they do to reinforce that concept. We are really behind in the United States with this. Other countries have made requirements that support it. We have not. In the UK, and this is back, I had interviewed them back in 2011 or 12, but it had been going on for a number of years before that time. They require their community health boards to have both veterinary professionals and human health professionals on the board. Now, if you're familiar with infectious disease, this isn't shocking. Depending on which study you read, 60 to 75% of all newly emerging infectious disease are zoonotic. They are of animal origin. So having collaboration between the two is incredibly important. Environmental sciences is also very important because we understand that things like climate change can affect disease transmissibility, or the transplant of one disease to another community. There really has to be collaboration between those three entities. If you're not familiar and you would like more information, I can really suggest a great book called Zoobiquity. Zoobiquity was written by a cardiologist. It's actually a human health cardiologist, and she delves into a lot of great information and topics on One Health, such as sentinel animals, spillover effect. She goes a little bit into that, and the understanding that if we study animal populations, we can actually apply that information to things like public health, to population medicine. So a very, very interesting book. My experience with CHNAs, or community health needs assessments, have been pulling information from them. I have completed my practicum last term with District Health Department number 10, and I use CHNAs for projects I worked on whole community inclusion, with pulling what needs a community has through those CHNAs and seeing what WCI, or whole community inclusion projects or topics, I could create out of those needs. I look forward to working with all of you, and have a wonderful day.